Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen on MacBook Pro M5. The easiest way to split apps on your screen is to just grab the top border of the application and drag it to one of the sides of your laptop, then release the mouse pointer and just put the other application on the other side of your MacBook. The other way to put your apps on a full screen or on a split screen is to navigate to the green icon in the top right corner of your screen and extend the Move and Resize menu and also Fill and Arrange menu. So using Move and Resize, you can easily replace your application on the screen, and using Fill and Arrange feature, you can automatically arrange up to 4 different applications on your device's screen. Don't forget to use the center stage feature by swiping up 3 fingers, which will let you decide which application you want to see in the front of the others, and also use the stage manager for convenience, which might be an alternative to split screen. So to do that, go to the control center, then click this icon, then turn on Stage Manager, and right now you can use one application, and if you want to quickly switch to another one, you will have all the applications running in the background on the left side of your display, and you can easily switch between them this way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.